Hello. Today I'm going to talk about our homework 2. So what we did in this homework is we used several of number of threads, and the idea is like each thread makes up to like maximum tries, and then it creates like it does random attempts, and for each attempt it checks the uh, naive trial division test. It checks if the number is prime or not. And if a thread finds a prime value, it returns that value. Otherwise, it returns zero. And then like the main thread joins all of these like uh, threads, and then like it prints one results for per thread. So let's start with, let me show you the code itself. So in here, I define all of these libraries, and then in here I define the constant. So number of threads is 30, and maximum tries I set 10 right now. So I'm gonna have like 30 threads, and each thread is gonna have 10 trials, and the random value that generated, it's gonna be between 0 to this value. So we define this one using Maxwell command. In here, this is the where we define the threads IDs, and then in here it checks if it's prime number or not. So what it does is that the number of the value, the number is should be bigger than 2, and then it checks with dividing two numbers, and then it checks if it's prime value or not. And in here it combines two random calls and checks for the wider values. This is where it calculates the single result, and it loop maximum trials, and it generates n. If it's a prime number, it generates as a prime. If it's not, it exits as a 0. And this is the main part, the main one. In here it combines all of these threads, and then it prints out it is prime or no prime, as you can see here. So this is the quick summary of the code, and let's run this code real quick. I should have here. Yeah, our executable file is here. Let's run. So as you can see, because we set number of thread as a 30, it creates 30 results, and for each thread it attempts 10 trial, and if the number that it generated, if it's prime, then it reports as a prime. If it's not, it says no prime. So this is the end of the video. Thank you.